Ever wonder how businesses track their money before they even make it? Enter the sales pipeline. It's not just a CRM buzzword, it's your roadmap to closing deals. Stage 1 is prospecting. This is where you gather your raw leads. Think of it like casting a wide net into the ocean to see who might actually be interested. Stage 2, qualifying. Look, not everyone is a good fit. This is where you separate the serious buyers from the window shoppers so you don't waste time. Stage 3, the pitch or proposal. You know they want it. Now you show them why your product solves their exact problem. It's showtime. Stage 4, closing. The negotiations are wrapped up, contracts are signed, and that lead officially becomes a paying customer. Boom. A CRM pipeline visualizes this entire journey, so no money ever slips through the cracks. Smash that follow button to master your sales game.